Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can create collections in Docs. Here we are in the Docs section. First of all, click on Collections. This is where you will find all your collections. To create a new one, simply click on New Collection. Type a name for the collection. Then enter a short description. Next, pick a color. You can also change the icon. Choose an icon you like. You can also add members. Simply click on Members, then type the member's name or email. Select the member. From here, you can change the access settings, then click Create Collection. Our collection is successfully created. Now let's add documents to it. Click Add a Doc. Let's say we want to add this document. Select it and click Add. The document is added to the collection. Let's add one more. Click Add a Doc, select the document and click Add. The document is successfully added. To go back to the Collections section, simply click on Collections. That's how you can create new collections in Docs.